Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So if you'd seen my video a few days ago, I've decided that I'm going to try this 90-day upload challenge. I've heard so much about how it's supposed to help your YouTube channel grow. Apparently at some point YouTube starts to take notice of you and starts to put your videos out in front of people a little bit more, which is exactly what you need if you're trying to do this as an affiliate marketer, or if you just want a YouTube channel and to maybe make a little bit of money from AdSense. So what I'm just going to do today is just quickly go over my stats. I'm actually in about 3 days now that I've done 3 days in a row posting of the 90-day challenge, but the stats haven't really changed that much from 3 days ago. So I'm just going to show you here so that we've got a bit of a record of what it is when I start. So this is my channel journey to the 1%. Lifetime, I started this channel 18th of February. It's now the 21st. Well, actually it's shown to the 21st of May. So that's actually 3 days ago, which works out quite good. I've got 23 videos on. I think I've actually got 25, but anyhow, as you can see, my watch time 875 minutes, views 485, average view duration 148, and you can see my videos down here, which ones. That's not really that important. The important thing is we're going to be putting out a video every day. They're not going to be long videos, maybe some 3 minutes, some 5 minutes, some 10 minutes. I know YouTube like 10-minute ones, but I really don't see that I'll be putting out 90 10-minute videos. And these are the two that we obviously watch time and subscribers, which is where I'm a little bit lost here because this is all new to me. Subscribers is, wow, does this page not actually show you subscribers? Well, that's a bit rubbish, but anyway, oh no, if I look at my, we'll use this because this is always handy. If we look at these stats, IQ stats, you can see that I've got 82 subscribers at the moment and 14.7 hours of watch time. So I'll keep I'll keep you updated on how this goes, maybe every 10 days, and we'll come back and look at the stats and see what's improving. What I'm also thinking I might do is actually start showing the people who are interested in affiliate marketing, which most people who are at my channel probably are. I might actually start showing what it does to sales. I currently run most of my sales to my product through Facebook ads, and I'm starting to now put the link into my YouTube videos, so that might be something that could be interesting. But we'll do that in another video. So that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to get a video out, put a little bit of content out. I'm trying to stack these up so that if I get to a day where, let's say, it comes to the weekend and I really don't feel like creating a video, editing a video, uploading a video, and doing all the associated things you need to get a video actually live on YouTube, I want to be able to have a backup. So I'm stacking up videos. Like today, I'm feeling driven to make videos. So if I can make 3 or 4 videos today, and if I feel like I can do that tomorrow, then I'll have 8 or 9 videos. So if I do need a few days off, I can still upload every day. That's my plan anyway. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing how this little experiment goes for a new channel with pretty much no subscribers, or 82 subscribers, and you want to see how doing a daily upload works, then subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to see my regular updates and see how it works for me. And if it works for me, you can implement it in your strategy or your new YouTube channel, and hopefully it'll work for you too. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.